lot of divorce cases, when you get married right after college and you're married for 10 or 15, 20 years, separate property does not come up. But if you get married later in life, if you're mid-30s and you've been in the workforce since you were 20 years old, or if perhaps it's a second marriage and you're in your 40s and you get remarried, separate property comes up. The court is not allowed to divide separate property. Yet the law is like this. The court looks at everything as community property until someone says, no, judge, that's my separate property. So first off, what is separate property? It's anything you had before marriage. Because just think about it. Why would the court divide property that you had before you got married? That just wouldn't be fair. And actually the Texas Constitution protects it. The second thing is anything by will or a gift. If someone gives you a gift, if someone leaves something to you when they pass away, that's yours. That's not of the marriage. The third thing doesn't come up too often. That's personal injury recoveries. If you're hurt in a car wreck or you have some major accident, your damages, your pain and suffering is yours. So what do? You have to have a lawyer that knows how to protect your separate property. Because keep in mind what I just said, the court presumes it to be community. So then you have to prove to the court that it's your separate property. And it doesn't always come across as simple as it need be. A lot of times you need an expert witness, you need a CPA. There's deadlines of when you need the report by. There's ways you have to present this evidence. This could literally in a divorce cost you millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars that someone benefits from just because you didn't have the right lawyer in your divorce to protect your separate property.